My goal is to help you find your home and make sure you're 100% satisfied. I have 20 years of banking and real estate experience. I was raised in South Florida and have local knowledge of practically every neighborhood in town. I had a client that wanted to sell her house, sell her dad's house, so that they can move in together in a bigger house. So I sold their first house within 2 weeks and they were like, wow, okay. And then their dad, once they gave me the go-ahead to sell, I sold that in 2 weeks. So they were super happy with that. And then I helped them also negotiate a deal with a pre-construction. She's super happy. She got a pre-construction where, you know, everything is brand new, ready to go. Best part of real estate is when you hand over the keys and you see the smile on your client's face. That's when I know I made it. That's why I'm a realtor. Look, I'm your guy. I'm the one that will make it happen. I'll always tell you what is right and what is best for you. My name is Rafael Lara, and I help people find their spot.